Let's learn how to comment photo on TikTok. Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to comment photo on TikTok. The steps are easy and simple. So if you are making use of a TikTok account, I advise you to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you are making use of the latest version. Having done that, you just have to log into your TikTok account. The next thing you have to do is to add the particular video that you want to reply with a photo to your favorite videos. At the end of this video, I will tell you reason why you have to add that particular video to your favorite video. So click on the favorite option. The next thing you have to do is to click on your message option. So right here on my message option, I just have to click on any of the message or comment I want to reply with a photo. Click on the camera option. Click on the photo option. Click on your gallery option. Click on photo option. Scroll gently and select any of the photo of your choice you want to reply with. And click next. Next. Post. So I have been able to reply with this photo on that video that I just added to my favorite. Let's see it. So you click, in order to see it, you just have to click on your profile. Click on the favorite option, which is the second to last option. So you just click on the particular video. So this is the video I just added and replied with a photo. I just have to click on the message icon. So click on the particular comment I replied with a photo, and you can see my reply here, the photo I just replied with. So guys, that is it on how to comment photo on TikTok. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment and share. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.